it's a nerve-wracking piercing. You're gonna get up and be like, huh, that was really cool. That was a strange feeling. It barely even hurt.
Oh, and then an hour after, your tongue's gonna swell.
Oh, dude, we get cool stuff.
Shut up, Cher.
Yeah, those words don't operate.
Yeah. God, I don't know why I was bringing. No, I'm just kidding.
Alright, so tongue opener or mouth open again now. So we're just gonna kind of set myself up here. I'm gonna give you a strange kind of massage sort of thing to your tongue here. It shouldn't actually pinch. If I do, though, please tell me, okay? Can you please have a little bit closer? I'm gonna that work too. So I'm gonna get some pressure, not too much on anything. That's okay. Ready for a little pinch there? Ready? Take a nice deep breath. One more little push out. Tighten things up and put it back.
Oh my god.
Slide back in slowly.
How does that feel?
Give you a little wipe there. Oop, I didn't help that. We can get to your tissue there if you want. Need a glass of water too if you didn't mind.
Oh my goodness.
Don't touch your
Put
boat.
your hands on it.